So you might be in a situation where you're trying to go ahead and share your Android screen to basically a different type of device like a TV or something. Now there's a couple ways to do it. Number one, if you're trying to do it via like wireless method, this is the way, but if you want a wired way, you can always get a USB type C to like HDMI if for some reason the wireless way isn't working. Now what you're going to want to do here is you want to make your way over into your basically your quick toggles or your quick settings. You can do that by swiping down twice from the top and getting into this panel. Now what you want to do here is at the very bottom, you want to go ahead and click on this little smart view option, or it should be like screen share or something along those lines. It can either be at the bottom right here, or it can be at one of these panels here, one of these quick toggles. And all you want to do is basically tap on it. Now, it automatically tells us a couple of different things that we can do here. So it tells us smart view, you can show your phone on a TV, watch TV on your phone, so on and so forth. So what we want to do is we want to click on continue, and it's going to allow us to basically, give these permissions, so you can give it access to location and all these other things. Now, what it's going to do here is it's going to start looking for devices that you can screen share to. So all you're going to want to do here is you want to see that if you want to go screen share from your phone to another device, make sure you have a TV or something like that in your vicinity that you can screen share. And then you can go and tap on it, and then you'll be able to actually start screen sharing from your device. So it's actually very basic, and that's essentially how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.